Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find games that were included with your Xbox Series X or your Xbox when you bought it. So you might have bought like the Minecraft edition, the Diablo edition, or maybe like the Starfield edition, some kind of edition that came with the game. And you're trying to find it all over the place and you literally can't. So if you go to like My Games and Apps, it's not going to appear installed under here at all, or even under the full library. What you want to do is go back to the home screen and go back to settings right here and select this. Then go on down to where it says account, go to the right, and you can see there's an entire setting right here. It's called included with this Xbox. Select this. So you got to be signed into your account, and then you can choose the game. So mine is the Diablo 4 Standard Edition, and then you can go to claim for a different account on the bottom, but you should be able to claim it for your specific account. And then it should give you an option to download. If it doesn't, and you already claimed it for your account, well, we can go back to My Games and Apps and go to See All, go down to Full Library, and then go on over to Owned Games right here, and scroll through this list, and you should be able to find Diablo 4 or the game that you went ahead and tried adding. It should be added to your account under here. So let's see if I can find it. I can't see it. There's too many games on here. But otherwise, you can try searching for it on the top and see if you can download it. So if it's not under here, just go to search, and we can search for Diablo 4, Diablo, and we should be able to find it. Here it is, and you can see there's an install option right here. So if you can't find the game under there, go to here and just search for it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tutorial videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.